Hello and welcome to this video and I will be showing you the product I've made for my personal project. So welcome to my personal project product presentation video. So the goal of my personal project was to learn the 3D CAD modeling software which is called Autodesk Inventor. CAD means computer aided design and therefore Autodesk Inventor is a software which will allow you to make 3D models, which you could which are used for simulation and visualization of specific designs. So you can see that how specific models or designs would look in real life. And I decided to display my knowledge of the software. I will make 3D models of the equipment used by the superheroes in the movie Marvel's The Avengers. The thing I chose this because I like Marvel and Marvel comics and movies a lot, and this had to be motivated for a long time because this is a long-term project. So I thought if I am doing something related to the superheroes, I would be motivated more. And the goal of this goal was highly challenging since I had no experience in computer modeling except for SketchUp, but I don't have much experience in that software too. And also it's uh, SketchUp is mostly used for architecture and not for engineering stuff, so it's really different and quite primitive compared to Inventor. So here's a picture of the Avengers, the Earth's mightiest heroes. From left to right, Hulk or Dr. Bruce Banner, Hawkeye or Clint Barton, Maria Hill, and Iron Man or Anthony Stark, Nick Fury, director of S.H.I.E.L.D., Captain America or Steve Rogers, and Natasha Romanoff, Black Widow, and Thor Odinson. And here's a list of the models I made. I made Captain America's shield, Thor's hammer, which is called Mjolnir, and Iron Man's arc reactor. And at that stage when I was deciding what models I'm going to make, I thought that maybe I could also make Iron Man Mark III suit helmet, but I dropped that. And I will tell you more on that later. And I also made Iron Man suit display case, and I made 5-6 copies of that using the save as function. I also made Dr. Bruce Banner's glasses, Black Widow's Bite gauntlet, Hall of Heroes model, and this Hall of Heroes would be the place where I will display all my models. So I'm displaying all my models inside the model, and then there's Hawkeye's bow and arrows, and the order these models are arranged in is due to the increasing order of their difficulty. So since the first model is about Captain America, I thought that maybe I should give you some information about Captain America himself. So his real name is Steve Rogers, and he's also called Captain America, the first Avenger or Cap. He was a young man during World War II, and he wanted to serve in the U.S. Army. And but his application was rejected since he was really weak and unfit. Then he was chosen for U.S. Army's secret program in which they were planning on making super soldiers, and he was injected with a super soldier serum which gave him superhuman strength, stamina, and durability and agility and speed. And so and then he became the first Avenger at that point, and then he saved the world from the evil organization Hydra's plans. But in the process of saving America from being nuked, he had to crash the ship into the Arctic Sea, where he was frozen for 70 years until his body was retrieved by SHIELD, which is short form for Strategic Homeland Intervention Enforcement and Logistics Division. And he is founding member of the Avengers and the co-team leader. And here's a picture of the shield from for the and this picture is from the promotion of Winter Soldier. And now some information about Captain America's shield. It has a 26-inch diameter in the MCU, the Marvel Cinematic Universe. It is made out of vibranium, which is a fictitious metal. Vibranium is indestructible, light, and can absorb kinetic energy. And it can also deflect energy blasts. It has straps at the back so that Cap could easily hold it and use it. And it could be used the shield could be used for both offense and defense. And now I will show you the model itself. Now here's the model I made, and this is currently in a virtual background. Everything is saying in the background except for this is preloaded. So the background is preloaded. I'm showing you because the shield looks really beautiful under the lights, because like in this environment you can see some lights at the top, so you can see good reflection on it, so it looks really beautiful. I will show you without the thing default. Yeah, there you go. So this is the model of Captain America's shield, and this was the first model I made, and it looks really good because of the shiny metal choice. Okay, and first of all, here's one thing you should know about all the models I've made. They are to scale, 1 to 1 scale. So therefore, they have the dimensions of the props in real life. So for example, Captain America shield is supposed to be 26 inches. So this diameter, this circle is 26 inches. And if I was able to 3D print it, it would be the exact same size as it is in the movies. I mean, a few millimeters or something off, but yeah. So yeah, you can see that this shield is made up of concentric circles, circles which have a similar center, have the same center, and it has a star on the top. It's kind of an engraving extrusion. Yeah, and it is curved. It's curved and it's convex, curved. And for the straps at the back, these are the straps at the back. Wait a second. Here we go. Yes, and you can see that these straps are attached on this curved surface, this concave surface at the back. But this part is flat, so that you could hold it easily too. Yeah. So anyways, when I was making this strap, I had a choice. I could have made these straps on the flat surface, which would have saved me a lot of trouble. And but I did not do that. I thought because it would look really bad, and one of my criterias of the models was that everything should have accurate real life dimensions and details. So I wanted it to be it to look real. So that's why I went through all that trouble so that I could attach the straps at the back, at the curved back, and it looks really good. It looks much better than it would have if I had just made it on the flat surface. Yeah, and I've also given every material like some appearance. So the straps are leather, and this back I've given it an aluminium appearance, because there's no option for vibranium in Autodesk Inventor because it is fictitious, but still it is shiny like an aluminium and other metals, so that's why. And I've also given a little bit of chrome here, and this is all anodized red aluminium and then stuff. Okay, so this was the first model I made, Captain America shield. And yeah, so please check out the other models in the other videos. And I will end this video now. Thank you.